take that man to heart. When your heart feels bad, he'll say he thinks you're right, and he is always right. Then your name for him is Dad. If he's learned 1,000 things and he's shown you the way, if you've tried for all he's shown, and you share that special day of manhood, he's your model, your friend and your idol. He's with you against strife, he's strengthened you for life. Then your name